How's it going, guys? So for today's video we're going to be working on Wicker build for those challenges from years 2015 and up. Part number is vz101498. And the installation should be fairly easy. It should take you roughly anywhere between 15 to 25 minutes depending on your experience. And once again, part number for this Wicker build is vz101498. And these are meant to fit 2015 and up with rear camera, as you can see here. And we also have the Wicker build for those challengers from 2008 and up. And part number for that one is vz101498. So here we have all the tools that you're going to be required for the installation. We're going to be using an Allen wrench, a drill, and with a drill bit, a rivet nut tool, which you have the option to buy it along with the Wicker build. Part number is vz101498. Masking tape, the hardware which is already included with the Wicker build, and a microfiber towel. Now I'm going to have Kathy take over. Okay, so what's the next step?
So now we're gonna put masking tape to your spoiler. We're gonna go from end to end.
Tape for?
To mark the holes for the Wicker build, where we're gonna drill. Alright, so since the spoiler has a camera, we're gonna go ahead and cut where the camera is located. That way we could align the Wicker build in the hole. Doesn't have to be perfect, so that's good enough. So now we're gonna get a buddy here, and we're gonna align the Wicker build to the spoiler. I like to align it to where the wing is at, so it could be sitting at the same spot. And we'll just make sure it's in the middle, and that should be right. You could grab a pen or a marker. Just mark it. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the film from the Wicker build. So now we're just wiping it off, cleaning it. Have marked your holes on your spoiler, and now you're gonna need a drill bit to drill your holes. We'll use a small one, and then after that we'll go ahead and find the perfect drill bit that you'll be using for your rivet nut. So you should go ahead and put it next to each other, and it should match the size. This one looks pretty good. Since I have already done the homework for you, you're gonna go ahead and use 2164 drill bit. So now we're gonna go ahead and drill in the middle of the holes that we made with the small drill bit. So we started with half a size of a drill bit from the one we're gonna go ahead and use, just so it's easier for you to do the bigger hole than starting with the big one. So now you're done drilling your holes, we're gonna go ahead and take off the masking tape. That way we can start installing the rivet nuts on the spoiler. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the rivet nut and screw it into your rivet nut tool.
And what's the part number for the rivet nut tool?
vz101498. You're gonna go ahead and insert it to the hole, and then you're gonna press this. So you're gonna need a lot of force to put this in. So once you're done, all your rivet nuts should look like that on your spoiler. So now you're gonna go ahead and get your wicker belt and your clear piece and align them together. And then your nut and washer. Place them together. Let's go. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the Allen key and just tighten it up with the correct size.
So how easy was that?
That was from 1 to 10. Let's say a 4.
A 4. Damn. So as you guys can see, the installation was fairly easy. Once again, it should take you anywhere between 15 to 25 minutes depending on your experience. As for the clear piece, you have the option to have it in the inside as we did in this scenario. And also you can put it in the outside. But for this particular installation, we went with the inside. At the end of the day, it just comes down to your personal preference. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. And follow us on our social media to not miss out on our newest products and deals and discounts at vicrez.com.
Join us to the Facebook groups.
And also join us on our Facebook groups. If you go over to vicrez.com and scroll all the way to the bottom, you should be able to see the links. And also there will be available in the description below in this video as well. Thank you.